Welcome to the Bong Wanderers channel. Today is 13th May. The Bong Wanderers are at Visakhapatnam. If you have been following us, you know that yesterday we reached Visakhapatnam and Mr. Banerjee has driven 875 kilometers from Chennai to Visakhapatnam. It was quite a long drive, longest for us as a family, and it took us 15 and a half hours to reach here. This vlog is about Visakhapatnam, in and around Visakhapatnam. So stay tuned till the end of the vlog and enjoy Visakhapatnam.
వైజాగ్ ని ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదా, రాజాగా ఎప్పుడు బ్రతకలేదా, ఎన్నెన్నో అందాలు ఇక్కడరా, ఓసారి చూసినా వదలలేవురా, ఎన్ని అందాలు అన్ని కొన్ని బంధాలుగా మారెరు. ఈ ఆంధ్రాకి అందమైన ముద్దు బిడ్డ వైజాగురు, ఎన్ని అందాలు అన్ని కొన్ని బంధాలుగా మారెరు. ఈ ఆంధ్రాకి అందమైన ముద్దు బిడ్డ వైజాగురు.
Driving by the sea again. This is ticket for what? What are the fees?
70 rupees to enter. Tourist fees.
Our first stop is Kailasagiri, and once we reach there you'll get to know why we are visiting this place. Entry fees is 70 rupees. All three of us included? Okay. We are on our way to Kailasagiri, and on our left this view just took our breath away. You can see the lovely beach, and you can see a curvy road just by the beach. I think that's the same road that we took. Oh, that's the same road that goes to Bhimli, and some glimpses of the city of Visakhapatnam. We reached Kailasagiri, that's the entrance, and that's the parking. So let's park our moto and go inside. We are actually going for lunch now. We didn't go inside the Kailasagiri place because we are interested to take a toy train ride, and that starts only after 3 p.m. So no point of going and doing everything twice. We decided to come down and explore some other places, have lunch, and then go back to that place at around 3 p.m. वैसे करने के लिए कुछ है तो नहीं है, बस घूमना ही है, वाइजैक देखना है, तो कोई नहीं, we'll go back there at 3 p.m. अभी तो वाइजैक के roads आप enjoy कीजिए. The roads are a little deserted today because it's an election day today. Yeah, I mean we are quite adventurous to go around on an election day. But ठीक है, looks like it's quite safe. Lot of police patrolling happening on the road. चलिए वाइजैक का रोड्स और दिखाते हैं एंड कुछ और जगह भी आपको दिखाते हैं.
जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी. मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना. ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना. छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना. ये पागल.
We are at the Gateway Hotel for a quick lunch and also to check out the place. We are at the Gateway, and if this property would have been pet friendly, then this is where we would have stayed. But unfortunately, it is not a pet friendly one, and hence we are staying at the park. Nevertheless, we still came here to check out the property and also talk to the people in person to check if they are pet friendly, because we are also coming back to Vizag from Kolkata on our way back to Hyderabad. So this could have been our place of stay that time, but it can't. What you see behind me is the RK beach, and that's our property. That's the park. You can see that lighthouse. That's where our property is parked. That's the vibrant beach on your screen. It's beautiful. That's a children's park and a very beautiful or cute entry to the park. Nice place. So if you are at Vizag, guys, you have plenty of things to do. So you have the Novotel over here, Novotel Varun. That's also not a pet friendly one. And that's the Gateway. This is their all-day dining place where we are having our lunch today. Done with lunch. Now going to check out Kailashagiri. We wanted to go to the Submarine Museum, but since it's an election day, we were told that the place is not operational today. So we are going to the Kailashagiri.
मखना वे मखना, मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना.
Okay guys, on your screen is the Lawson's Way from the hilltop. Kailashagiri Hills, and look at the bay over here. Retreating waves and sea on both sides. You see this narrow stretch of land and there is sea on both sides. This is called Kailashagiri Hilltop, and it gives you the view of Vizag city or Vishakhapatnam city, however you want to call it. And it's a beautiful place. It's way up the hill. You can, if you are coming to this place by car, you can actually drive your car to this point. You have to obviously give some generous amount of donation to the person at the gate, and if you can manage that, then you can actually drive down to this place. You don't need to walk all your way up here. It's a beautiful place, though it's a bit hot and humid, but not the temperature you would expect on a summer afternoon. It's quite pleasant.
पाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगत् 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 ज्वल.
We are at the Sagar viewpoint, enjoying this lovely view ahead of us. It's 4 p.m. It's getting a bit crowded over here, but don't want to miss this view. I don't know if you guys can see a glimpse of the road, curvy road between the hills and the sea. Had a great view of this place and had a great darshan of famous Shiv Parvati Murti over here. As you can see in the drone shots and in the pictures, we had a great time at this place today. Okay, so we have come for a toy train ride at Kailashagiri, and look at the excitement of the little one. We will let you know all the ticket fares and everything. So this toy train has 3 coaches, 2 non-AC and AC. Going by the heat, we have opted for the AC coach, and if you can see the picture of Shiva Parvati. Anyway, so we'll take you through the ride along with us. And our toy train ride begins. That's our motto, standing.
रेलगाड़ी 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 छुक 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 बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 धड़क धड़क लोहे की सड़क धड़क धड़क लोहे की सड़क यहाँ से वहाँ वहाँ से यहाँ यहाँ से वहाँ वहाँ से वहाँ.
Do you know anyone who sleeps in a toy train ride? Okay, now you know. Unimaginable.
पार कर जाती बालू रेत आलू के खेत बाजरा धान बुड्ढा किसान हरा मैदान मंदिर मकान चाय की दुकान पुल पग डंडी टीले पे झंडी पानी का कुंड पंछी का झुंड झोपड़ी झाड़ी खेती बाड़ी बादल धुआं मोट कुआं कुएं के पीछे बाग बगीचे धोबी का घाट मंगल की हाट गांव में मेला भीड़ झमेला टूटी दीवार टट्टू सवार.
And that's an end to our lovely short and sweet toy train ride. Now we are going to head back to our hotel. Going back to our hotel now. We had a great time at Kailashagiri. We almost spent like 3 hours at this place. A good place for a family outing. So if you are at Vizag, this is a place you should visit. Our beautiful evening at Visakhapatnam. The city is getting all lit up. This is Lumbini Park. This is another place where you can come by for evening stroll and enjoy the sea. This place is called Lawson's Point and
Lawson's Bay.
Lawson's Bay. When we captured this place in the afternoon, it was deserted. Now it's bustling with people. I think people at Vizag are great foodies because on either side of the road I can see ample eating outlets, street food actually. So that's how we spent our day today. I hope you enjoyed in and around Vizag with us. We couldn't capture much after we came back to our hotel because it was raining heavily. We had a quick dinner and then we came back to our room because we have a very long day tomorrow as well. Remember, we told you in our last vlog that we are en route Kolkata, and tomorrow we are going to cover 870 plus kilometer again from Vizag to Kolkata. So stay with us in this Summer Chronicle series as we take you to different places in eastern, southeastern part of India.
Until then, until our next vlog, you guys take care, stay safe, keep supporting us, keep exploring incredible India, travel by road, take your pet wherever you can, and you have all our best wishes and prayers. Bye bye, good night from the Bong Wanderers.
धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचिद् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि